Hello and welcome to Scredot's podcast. Today we have a very special guest, Phoebe from Eyeque. Eyeque has developed an amazing product that tests your eyes and tells you everything you need to know before you order new glasses. That way you can avoid going to the eye doctor every time you need new glasses. Okay, yeah, so we're right here with Eyeque, which have a great product going on, and they're running a campaign on Kickstarter, which is just about to end, but they're gonna launch it again on Indiegogo. Well, Phoebe, tell us more about it.
Hi, thank you for having me. I am the VP of marketing at IQ, and I've been with the company for a little over 5 years. And fun fact, the first iteration of our smartphone-based vision testing tool was a um, proof of concept that was made with cardboard and held together by a rubber band. So that was 5+ years ago, and when I first tried it on a phone, it measured actually the ballpark of my vision correction. I'm wearing glasses my entire life, so I knew this technology is just absolutely amazing. So I am here to talk a little bit about the Vision Check 2. This is actually our third generation vision smartphone based vision test. Since the beginning of IQ, we were very dedicated to provide affordable, accessible, and accurate vision testing to as many people as possible.
For those who may not wear glasses, what sort of general steps do you go through when testing your eyes and getting new glasses, and how does Vision Check 2 make that much easier?
Of course, a lot of people who don't wear glasses don't really think it's necessary to go to the doctor. But if you are at all curious about your vision and wanted to kind of track vision changes over time, we have, the Vision Check 2 is a really, really great tool for you. Anybody can do it as long as you have a smartphone that is made, hopefully after 2004, which is about 16 years ago. It will likely work with it. It's a downloadable app that works with a MIT patented hardware optical device. And by attaching the device to your phone, you see this game-like interface that has two lines, red and green. Every single one of our tests looks like this. And you, the users, again, almost like playing a game, your goal is to overlap the lines into one solid yellow line. And you go through that several times per eye. And based on how much movement you make at each angle for each eye, and based on your age and gender and etc., we will then reverse calculate and come up with a set of very accurate correction for your eyes. It sounds really insanely simple, and that's actually just it. It's very, very simple.
Wow, how long does it take to get your eyes checked with Vision Check?
So the Vision Check 2 is supposed to be, a lot faster and actually much easier to use. So this is, like I mentioned earlier, this is our third generation vision test that gives you numbers that you can use sort of glasses. So we have had a lot of customer feedback. We actually survey every single customer after, they've taken a couple of tests, and we've taken all of that feedback along with a really integrated back-end calculation system. And this is our newest and greatest. So this device is super easy to use. However, just like riding a bike, learning it does take a little bit of time to get used to. So, maybe 10 minutes to just get used to. Even our best users report this learning curve, right? Just put away 10-15 minutes, just understand you're gonna really learn how to use it. It might seem like you're not gonna see the lines, but it's definitely there. And once you get the hang of it, for us to produce a set of eyeglass numbers, it usually takes about 20-25 minutes around that time, which is for most people, the time spent driving to
Yeah.
an office alone.